guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Madam Osagi Uwese Kakabo, where you come to tell us, say, we don't see the progress of this man. We go about abandon the wife with children for house. The wife, after 6 months, when they reach Nigeria, the wife won't buy. The Pikin don't do for Nigeria 4 Pikin since 10 years, of which the senior Pikin now they treat her for Europe before this man carry this Pikin go and say they see traditional medicine. As he carry the rich house, we don't know what he can come up. You know, say that our country. Sometimes if person never suffer the suffer when they say me suffer for life no dey better. We believe say na the time we victory wanted they be this, but we dey look for this man. As we dey look for this man since yesterday, wey the matter take on, another woman come out say the 4 pikin wey this man born, he know them, he know this man, he know this woman, he no know say this woman don kpai. As they go Nigeria, see they lose the contact, they don't get the man contact again, they don't get this woman contact. So this woman, as I shared the video yesterday, I call Olakoko do video. Now this woman come call for Olakoko platform. I dey expect Olakoko now. I be the call and never carry for maybe another week. May give me the woman phone number. I don't call the Laura where the woman they measure in name for inside this video. I don't call the Laura yesterday, this morning. I say me wait for line. If I fit get this woman, I will put 2 of them together. Make this woman ask a question. So progress don't dey. I believe say that woman, if far for where I did now. This one, I know they take Pikin they play. Una know me. That's why I come out for social media now. What they carry me on social media now because of my children. So if the children decide to follow their mother, that's one of them. But I don't show my fatherly love to them. So this man, he not show fatherly love to our children. Although say this man they talk and say no, they take a children they play. Madam, if they take a children play. Before the 9 years, 10 years complete now with the day for Nigeria. Laura say not give the feeding money, they not eat one day. Say from street to street, now they eat. He said the Pikin, madam, he said they scatter them for inside those states. He said his senior sister wey no where we say they take treatment. We say every 3 months now they take change the system for hospital for severe. He said that one day for another place, he day for another place. Or not one girl, the last girl plus the boy, they do for another place. If you know they take it children they play, they for one place. Or maybe it get problem. But I believe say the way we want a poor hand. If you did for problem, we go know. If you not did for problem, but this man will get problem for front. I just tell you the truth. To abandon these children for 9 years, he get the voice where they hear for the world. So anyway, you did this man. Now, if you don't see this video, move for command this matter for social media, move for doing for his house. If now when the children will come, now we can't tell the world say the children. When they talk that time, they don't come Europe. Just off it coming and more command the matter for social media. More go the battle for his house. More go the ask the question for his house. I want waka. But anyway, when I play this woman video first before I call one of my sister, make us see talk.
Obi Omani one hour we start in every 3 months. I'm on the start in Nigeria coming to pick up for me because it won't matter what or no point on my accent. If you have a way, Nene express on any day, Nene 2.2 roll and load it on any. Mother start off away or send a mother predicting a day. Here are you what? Or you're not gonna and look here out here where oh gee, all of your honey. Edge of your honey go up. And you need believe. A police most again. And we believe in him. One side that, one is the point. One side that, everybody to most again. Or somebody to most again because of a business loan. Or I say that side, no. Or I say that side, bro. Or that also, or what, all four gone, but I say, what I say, imagine what I say that. Well, because
this woman where they talk now since we do the video yesterday, we will go the video. Now this woman come out. Now I can't talk. The husband they talk for background. The husband they make sure the children, all the children name, and of which now the name where they tell me, now the man, now this woman they measure. Or more video now be the senior one waiting for sick bed as we they talk now. I don't fit tell you now how much daughter they has for Nigeria. I don't fit tell you now. But with special grace of God, we no want to take that one, take disturb people. The money we do to the house now. The woman will coming for Italy will bring the matter for me. I believe, say, he said, we not take that one, disturb people. He said, I want to get the passport. We don't send people this morning. Maybe by tomorrow. This Osagi, the sister, when he give passport for Nigeria, they will give us more, go do another one. In case of the Spanish intervene, we will know where for start. Nobody say they don't take their money down where they don't hear our voice. They'll take their money down. But you get the one who would one time will do for inside. So God bless all mother with there around the globe. God bless all father. But fathers, they say if we do for Pikin, now Pikin they do for us. If you with woman get misunderstanding, say the children decide to follow their mother, let it be like that. But if you try, they decide to follow their mother, let them go. You not get another Pikin now for life, as this woman talk. You not get another Pikin now for life, as this woman talk. By tomorrow when you don't they go, oh, this Pikin not help you. You go to cry for corner, you go to curse for corner. But you don't know saying that the evil, the atrocity we do to them, the pains we give them, now make the verse. He get one boy, we want to travel come Nigeria, we want to travel come Germany. Now only you when mama born. Now only you when mama born. Where they give a visa, want travel come. What if mama tell us, say me go sit down for his house. People like you, they go Germany. Now I made the boy stay for 21 years for Germany. Now only when mama gets, you not call him mama, you not call him mother. Now good wife or good woman, whether they marry for good family. Now I draw and go ask. Say I want to know your mother. Since you say your mother is alive, I want to know your mother. This one are the boy. When he get almost 5 hours for Lagos, he get almost 4 hours for Benin. This boy, he get different hours for different state for Edo State. But only in one night mama born. He not born of that Pikin journal. Because with you mama tell him for 21 years, in mother they lay down every day they pray for corner. In mother they go juju place they pray for corner. They stay picking on not by. Till the day when God come make a jump good woman. Where's your mother? Now only you want with your mother born. Say yes. But where's your mother? Say you know what? He call the tell the woman lie. He tell the girl lie. But the girl say, as in you na one man, one woman I born you. You not born other Pikin journal. You want to know the woman. Now they take go house. For 21 years he put in mama for pains. No be tears when he come out for mama. I'll come play the video for now. You this man now, we never know what will happen to you. Although say Spain not good, Spain good. You get the people with the favor. You get the people with not the favor. Not be the one for 9 years or year to year. We know if we buy one silly pass. Or if we go give them 100 euro. May they take the feed. We scatter the children. Was happening, Pikin where they born for Europe. If these children now can go join Bagan tomorrow, can go join Bagan, can go join different call. I don't want to make sure they're finished. Though they blame, they say they not treat them well. Whereas now you cause the setback for their enemy. Sometimes not be your clear eye, as I talk since yesterday. If you be say not be the way you plan out, make they go house. If you be say the enemy, if you change it for your hand. But time they reach where everything is better for life. I believe say 10 years in suffering where enemy they do something. That's why they tell people if you do something against person, now 10 years is the last reach before the person will survive. So I believe say the time don't reach. I dey beg mothers, fathers, with the poem. We get the love of Pikin. We could help us to share this video. This woman waiting for the side of this corner, so now I born for this man. He born 4 children for her. 3 girls, 1 boy. But the woman don't buy because of the sickness, the stress. We take carry Pikin daughter go house. Say every 3 months now they take change the system for here. But traditional medicine, as it dey work, if you see the right person for house, we go do the traditional medicine. Now, if you not see the right person, dey hard. If you see the right person, we go do am. It dey work. But unfortunately, with this woman reach house, no feeding, no thinking, all thinking, no be as a husband talk am. If you say they want come Europe, they want go Nigeria, make for easy for this man, make go one room wey go dey easy for am. Hello Jay. Call your real life video. That's your about. Say me for easy for am before. It is only one day for Europe. You go feed the spend money for the sickness. Or they go find everywhere. No, say the man get another different damage for mind with their abandon them. But anyway, more they go more listen to the woman. We cut us saying no, they so more listen to them.
We were telling my father we Usaneno Saikina. Yes, Obono. That is Obo, that is Odo Palo Donna Kawapo. They're not enough point. Or that is my one of the big clothes. My one of the big clothes. Man, they have a family issue. Oh, Daniel. So, Obo can't know the Nigerian. You need to know that I will put it back. So, the man is telling Oman when he's out there, the man is when he's out there. All my name, man, what I get trouble. All my name, but I'll tell you, I will not tell you, I will. Or that any time. Or that, I know one year old, maybe you are wearing a house, but of any fine, okay? But all man will maybe, or GBA.
This one are the woman when you know them. When they tell us now, say, a woman with this Osagi, this woman when it buy so say they beat her. Now house. I'm one when I feel with me all those men we buy all the talk. Okay, they say Atiti they slap woman. Osagi they slap woman. Now so other men. But when man with woman don't they take together? They don't they understand each other. All those bad character when they give woman slap, you'll see her. Now make the time when Pikin can't take grow meet her. So Pikin go the talk say, my papa no slap my mama one day. My papa no slap my mama one day. Before you grow to the extent, you know what will happen. You know if you do for your room whether your papa did death your mama for his house. You know. So the woman talk nice and when she put some more jara for there. Not beside the advice on a woman go to beat on a woman. But now what it common to the character of a woman or to the character of a woman, man. You see gets a woman before you talk of your own. Now if you come strong person, now you go avoid that character. So God will bless all of you. I don't talk someone go to I correct that place. I just put and make them not take that place as an offense. Social media people say, now say they beat the woman, now say they beat the woman. Woman will not do for this life. Now this modern life, this Europe, because when they feed them, when they feed all those men, when they put for there, they beyond and nonsense. That's why I say, well, I don't put them for us finish after the years, they will still don't live now because of the nonsense where they don't to be around. So, no, that one will come for.
Yeah, money, no, don't count that one side. Okay, yeah, the match up, or make it a JJ. Yeah, cool. All the things that go pay cool, but I did yeah, cool. But the man will now a money in the back for any Nigeria. I'm not back or many in your one, or come for back out of the army.
I want to know.
Or come back out of the many, if we have, of your back or me. If justice actually not Joe Piani, on a
this man know them. Now when I wake this morning, now I see the video. Ola Koko Eta live video. He come back on Eta live video with this woman call her. When I wake up this morning, now I see her. Now I can record her. I can send her to Laura, the second Pikin of this man. He said the woman As he talk, so he say he don't know the woman. He say I beg when I put am for call with him. Say when I put am with call for them. Now I say I will put am with call. He want talk to that woman. He say if he talk to that woman, he go happy well. Now I say me no worry. If I want put am for line with the woman, I see him for live video now with the listing. So God bless all of una. As all of una take put effort as the woman still come out. Say no say this woman waiting for this picture dog by. He say no sure say this man they around. Here we can now say now where they no person reach now they describe and reach. Now this woman just stay with them. He say this woman wake by so they bath the children. He did for his year. He talk am. He say this man not they take the children they play. But we don't know what he come over this man when they carry these children go us. We don't know what it can happen. All of us waiting for Europe where they watch us. We know as our country be. Maybe the body where all those children carry, enemy people from there enter their body. But they say, not time where God not the time hear person prayer. I believe say the time where God want to hear their prayer, it doesn't come. Mokuna listen to the woman first. Mokuna listen.
Not the other more, we not another mention but the last boy reading it. But
the husband now they correct their name, so now they correct their name. This woman, husband, with the talk, so when they come and say, you know this man, I beg me to share the video. The woman, this woman with the talk, they even talk and say, this man they are run. Say no, they take it children, they play. And these children, if you listen to the video what these children do, he said that they call their father for more than 3 years and they know your family again. Say that they call the phone they have the answering machine. No, he go the court. Now I say because now there for Nigeria, if me call him for here, if they speak our language, say Esther Parado. If na Italy, see they negotiate Osagiduwa. Osagiduwa, if you call phone when they offer Italy, you know what the phone way offer Italy they talk. You go say Osagiduwa. When you call the phone way off for here, you go say Dime. No, you go say Esther Parado. You go say off. So all language get their system with their phone if off. You go enter answer machine. Italy go come they talk something. You get what they talk. Charlie no Charlie will send through. Charlie do it behavior. You go come they talk something they follow on. But the first word we Italy they talk Osagiduwa. Moku listen. Moku they listen. So when I call the phone as I talk. The WhatsApp when I sent to them 3 days now, I'm not sure say does but anybody will know what happened to this man. Because this woman where they talk, I say don't come out for severe. If Pikin talk and say he go be bow. Sometimes go saying they for be bow. Sometimes go saying they for basa. If Pikin Laura tell me. So if Pikin if you talk and say the man say things nobody well, but not be the one where you know 50 see 100 if you stand for front of supermarket. If you be businessman before we do business, you go stand for front of supermarket. Not be the one we not figure that 100 before month complete. They show them love. As I say their mama not their life again. Now their mama offend you. Now their mama offend you, not be the children. Hello? You know like I did life. Okay. So, no they go small. Small and share. Make una the share. Make una the share.
Yes, the woman I let her training. You may not show your plan in a committee at Chanda. It might show up there, and a place can never money in Nigeria passport. Any woman, anything, but in the area, it's so bad. Your men are not enough. A young lady, but it's a young way that is Takero, but nationality. It's fair, Virginia. Odayo. It's there. Can you the kind of life? Yeah. Yeah, me say I must say I declare. Yeah, me say I will. Because what's your man can have a passport in a Facebook to Nigeria where maybe being a good fire or anything. If you have Palestinians, yeah, I have a spirit. Yeah, I'm a to be married. Yeah, I'm fighting in Nigeria. You understand? But when I was Junana, in your class and our way,
Madam, you may come away. Nigeria by us the fight when no guana. Madam, do not damn video now. Ola Coco are the number of women banning. On a party we are play we winning. No, I go play. It tiny week before December, Mona like Webo. It was about Irian Ragmo. But who know where this man they make airport share the video? Mo see this man. Mo see this man. Mo listen to the woman finish.
Understand? So I mean, I gave you butter, but don't you go here? What plan is there? In my hand, but in your plan of growth, one half of you. So I wish you one umbrella and half for. You go to get out of the all last year.
Ijimao, apote awoye, iya kole, yo sagi na vitamina we, ye blopo ye materiale. Vivier wa u die. Ijia kwa mekbezo viene kwa Atiti vie video eh.
Ani le kala bro, si we do na ari mama.
Ikpe asoro, if no see anything na blame, ni na rubi ikpe na, ni na rubi. Ikpe soro, ni ya wada fanya ga agwe, ni ya anwe mi da ye money hoe. Ni ya ga anwe mi da ye money hoe. Emi da ya ni ya anwe, maybe for instance, I am making an example. On your see no odoami and agui mostly we buna. Why you tell me down my money? Why you tell me down my money? Maybe period when I rag money, or for me, I am making an example. If you know I can make money, or the mana, or am I not easy? When it I am making for instance, but I'm just making this to tell our women, our men. What the phone agui, what the full faces on it. As a woman, and when we done ye money, they took one rag money. At the nena, Okuna Seti Gumagua. They took one rag more Seti Gumagua, a rag money, Opiana Michael or Yenia. I dig it sometimes equals so when we die here, if we are. All that saying, it almost like he can name money. So if you're not going to allow, I'll be Jimmy. But what the fuck are we? What the fuck faces up? And I be a son of Omo, Omonodion, Omodion, near Biokomi. You know, we are in Nigeria, open a pardon you do. So what you can.
Yeah, now we may say that. Okay. Understand? All them more, every year, whatever man, whatever man, travel in Nigeria, he wants to store up my way. All my way in the market, all out in Nigeria. All you say, all not the in Nigeria, now you know people you don't know what to so, everything will have you, or my video, or my son. And the woman has found out with 4 children, 3 children, or the last one or all. And I have to pay off city. So I am in your mama. I was to say, and we have to do no. So drop for money, my dear mama. Drop in a very nice month. Or not to last, and let it to the end. So I not to last year. Only the last when we have to call children. They are not for money and after the woman.
my baby man, this man where they talk so, the time where everything done off for that city where they did so, this man come out, you know what mention his name. That's why I need your number, madam. As far as say this man don't fair come out that time, saying go fit take off there. Before this man, double D, that man carry the children go Nigeria. If that man will say go fit take off there, madam, if you don't watch my video, I need that man assistance. Since that man don't fair sign for police station or anywhere, saying go take off the children, they release the Pikin for her. That man, I need the attention, madam. That's why I will call you just now. If I look, give me your number. May you give me that man number. We will discuss. I want to help these children. If I die alive tomorrow, I not die alive tomorrow. What did I do for these children? So another person did one for my children. I know they fight some building now. I know they quarrel with somebody. How those children will take come up for inside darkness where they dey for our place. Now we dey pray. Now we dey find. So man and woman, I beg me to share this video. The senior Pikin of this man now, he did for sick bed as we dey talk. Of which this woman mentioned, I said the time with the senior Pikin day here. I don't want to expose everything finished yesterday. I don't want to talk everything finished. As far as the horses smart when you know the way they bath the children, when they play their head for severe, he don't come and say every 3 months. See the sickness where the baby, the senior daughter is sick. Now if he gets the talk and come out for mouth now. But the woman where they take off there. The woman, one woman waiting for Italy, good Samaritan. A Pikin, we begin, I know this girl. We can't explain to his mother. Now his mother they take off Laura. Laura did with this woman, with the Pikin for us. Why the other one did for that place? Why the other two did for that? They scatter the children. Pikin where they born for Europe. Whether the papa not take off there, it is say you all live there for Europe, he not carry the goers. As far as say the children, that's no daughter not buy since then. Since 10 years for Nigeria, if you not take buy for Europe. But you go for get better life. If you get better life more than this one when he did so. So now where you made the mistake with that this man. You want to go take off, huh? It is say you still live for Europe. As far as say those 10 years. As they talk today, they for sick bed, the senior daughter, more with it. It is say no come on for Europe. If you see they alive. Or if you know if you take off them. If they'll take for Red Cross, they'll get better life. For here, if you say no, if you take off Pikin, they'll share them for individual will not get Pikin for this country. They go they take off them. But does they answer your surname? You know go get bad name for your children hand where you get today. For 10 years, now bad name you get for this children hand. We pray for them. And if we see you, when I talk to them, may they clean the tears waiting for their hearts. May they clean and come out. They show you love. Because you don't destroy the love whether they give children. You don't destroy as a man. They say, now woman they train Pikin. Why the Pikin go grow, go say, wait, papa. But the woman not there to train them. The woman don't buy, she's almost now 8 years plus. Now you become the woman or the man will go train the Pikin. Why you call abandon them? They say, man, don't they grow? I know that period where everything heart was pain. Many people get problem. Many people go jail. Now the some of the problem now affect us. Now we come out for inside the problem for 9 years. Now we come out. As your own, you all day they come out for inside 9 years, they enter 10 years now. Now you want to come out for inside the problem. Where you come there, if you did for jail, you come out very soon. If you did for jail, you will come out very soon. I know the time when something heart was pain. Many people get problem. Many fathers get problem. As you plan and make you with your wife go house with the children. Now so me plan and make me carry my own go Dublin. So my people move the listing. Only the wise one, like this woman today now, where they talk now. Everything rough, but you see there with the husband today. The husband they talk for the background. But it is said this woman not buy if you see they alive. But now you follow the planner, see me they go ask. Me go show them to your family where you can go abandon them. After the children still call you with their mother late. Now very bad attitude. Why would they do this one? We get the miss, we will take go police station, go everything. Why would they do one? We say me people, may they learn, may they get sense from inside. Who hear this story now? for women, our women, they go get sense, they go take from inside. If man tell them tomorrow that they not get their comment, they not get their cash, me man say me they go as, they go learn say the video where they do that period. Now so that man take go gog their wife for house. Man go see learn, man will not get paper. If woman they deceive you, say me go as, you go see learn from inside. They say anything what they do for this life, now learn with the learn. Since when I come to social media, I don't learn many things. I don't watch many things. I don't know how to follow people waka. I don't know how not to follow people waka. But I go pretend say I know to see everything. So now do well. More listen to this our mama. Now, my people, I want to call somebody. Before later we'll see complete the video. Everybody will learn for this video. I want to call Ula Koko, may send the woman number for me. Because Laura for Nigeria, he flash me as I talk now. He say he want to talk to this woman. This man Pikin second daughter. He say he don't hear the woman voice. The time when they play their hair with the small, say he don't see her. He say if he speaks Spanish for her, the woman will understand. He say he want to call her. He don't flash me since. So I want to call Ula Koko. Whether Ula Koko don't wake me, give me the woman number before I call somebody when I want to call. Ula Koko don't wake. Okay, when I call somebody when I want to call. When I call somebody when I want to call. Hello, Mama.
Hello.
Hello, Mama. Do? I did live video. Now, what is that?
If I talk now, I dey rub cream.
Okay. Why you call you for video? It God save me, sir. I don't call you for video call. God save me, sir. I don't call you for video call. My eye.
I will carry video call. I dey grace.
Me, my eye no go.
You put money for my head.
You don't vex now. No vex. Me, my eye no go make something.
You not put money for my head. I dey carry your video call. Make you go see my.
My eye forget that it be today. My eye go get that it be today. Later. Later, if you don't up with me.
You for that have that live video.
I for offer. Why not see everything? Okay. Come. Okay. So, where the video when I play the go just now? Where?
Ona friend de respect ma o yiga friend de respect ona yiga lue oyo kana ni friend na la kudo ona yiga lue ya mi ani tin ni ke igu o ilu no bi o ka we no yo ka ni kola bo tin o so age na yiga lue o pawo o ti de ma bi ma kwa ni no pawo no ti de oni we gi €700 ki o sage na we ni actually locate ya re o we ni he ya wi na mudo eri ya kodo ni ya wi na kini ya na ma option na go kie niawo tie le kere na ya relocate ya ri ko no pa ati go bere so e kino side mo andu ni we kabe ko asin ina wo biara we ru o boy ma wa anyway, all we do, Osagina, near movie, a sacono, is a wabega near do. So, in near do, Aware or a book year, the one you know, no, any low, no, ya see my very cotton.
Yes.
Too bad, yeah.
I wouldn't listen, bro. I wouldn't listen in the rain, yeah, man, not anyway. Okay, with Palamari, on a church people. My son, oh, how are you? We are always passport. A church is not a good name. On a best for a game, you have money to say, I'm a church. I'll never for another matter because after what you plan, and I got that information. I understand where or you have a church you go, but I'll never say anything for the now yet. Or my plan and feel my woman. But over to wise return, a month of 5 months I get to the area in Nigeria. I understand. So if you want to wear also one is to why. So if you are here, have to one person me more media so if you are having cool more media so I understand. So already know you can eat the line of honey. But I gave them a tea for bowl every 1 o'clock. Make it about 6 o'clock. All the up by 6, you know, high by 3. I understand. So I know kind of one year now for now. Idiocy. Okay, again, everyone. Okay, everyone is here. And you that is if you apply more, we are more good. Okay, then a list of the good reality. I want to go movie. I will manage your playing more on say, honestly, I will do my not very nice woman. Very nice woman.
Will be a partner.
In my name,
This woman and the woman when you know this woman, know this family. Where they did for severe before this woman pack. This man pack the go house because of the senior Pikin, senior daughter, the sick. Every 3 months they change the system. They say they will see the traditional medicine for us as a good woman. The children get documents. Their father get document. But the woman don't get document. As a good woman, and for me, when I think it take the risk to go protect a Pikin, a senior daughter. After 6 months, this woman buy for Nigeria. But you don't get anything with this woman do before. As a man with the reason, if not me, when he take the risk calling your senior daughter go house, you don't get documents, may go save your life. After 6 months, your senior daughter still there alive today, but the woman don't buy. Waiting your commenter. I know if we talk now, I'm not here easy. Am I not here easy? You know, say nobody to be trust in that our country. But if we want blame person, and you will go blame you the man. But anywhere you did for part of the world, whether you did for Creek or you did for jail, as they preach your daughters matter now, it go to touch you. It go to touch you. It go to inch you for body. You go cry, come out for the solution. So this woman talk one word where they talk now we know them. He said the time when they want to collect the children for severe, he said get one man, you know one measure a name. He said now I go sign, they give the man the children with your woman when he buy, he say make carry go house. If I do call Ulakuku now, Ulakuku not carry my phone, may give me that woman number. May invite that man, the paper with that man signed that time, we they take their children. If this man see go that place where for sign that paper today, go tell them say the Pikin where he signed that time. Now he can't hear of them. This man carry them, go dump them for Nigeria, and their mother don't buy. The birthday certificate, I'll tell her, I mean they go print everything, they go give that man. Opportunity don't day where the children want to come Europe. Opportunity, every opportunity day. But I just wanted to draw Milna. We will be Edo people. We will be Nigerians. Anything will happen for life. Now for learning, everyone. Like what happened to me now. What happened for my own. Me no, like me now, if I marry now today again, even though I sound with the chop, me with the woman go the chop man. Can't go this place. Can't carry Pikin go, and now the follow woman do am again. They say uko gakpa oti ukoemu. Now so it will be for me. They say I want it, they make person they learn. So una wait. Hello love.
Hello?
Hello love, how are you? How are you doing?
Morning.
Good morning, man.
I'm cool.
Ije bonu. Udu wasiwe. Udu siwe. The gbese boni. Ku. The gbese.
I'm cool.
Ije.
The country here is chill.
Ije. Egbe wa
Where do I call you? You know, yesterday, good morning, everybody went in classroom.
Good morning.
I don't know whether I'm like you did yesterday, you know. You get some voice recording when you sent for me. You don't play the voice recording for your life.
That video when I play, that voice record, when I don't do the video finish, I can't cut it around when the Pikin talk, when I can send her to presenters.
Okay, you don't. Okay, you plan for your live video, talk. Okay. Because if you continue to play, then you will draw a lot of people attention. My people when they were yesterday, Atiti sent some video come give me voice recording concerning children when they Nigeria, their mama don't die, which everybody don't see her. Then this morning I call Atiti. I tell Atiti say this matter so now to carry and go give the government of the country when it dey for there. As well as say na Spain, I the man dey. Because now only the country when it dey for there, now you go fit give these children help, not be where we dey Niger. Because these children, the country not deport the children. Now the parents of those children, their father, I go abandon them for house. Then now go at it this morning say, Atiti, what thing you go do? You go find somebody, Nigeria person for there, you go look for her. Then when I will take this man picture, take the wife picture, take the children picture, put them together, go kind of go police station. If you read there, una go explain. And una go tell the children, say, una they go police station, I bet on our whole phone. We go call there. Una go explain to police. As far as these children, they know how to speak Spanish. They know how to speak Spain language. That's all I tell explain to a party. Because if they tell me they don't want to do live video, these children they can never get help. Only help when those children go get 1 year, right? And that is not the help those children want. Because it's so painful that a man have children in Europe, he take those children back to Africa, abandon those children there, and the mother of the kids, they are dead. The mother is dead.
Who walk by near Facebook.
The way when I take see the audio recording yesterday. And the help where those children need, if we try to put them together, not that party say, I will say I display. I will follow you go there. This one will be, this one will bring problem to anybody. You are just using it to help those children. Then you carry everything, find somebody, just find somebody beg. Person not they go problem put. There, when I will go police station, carry the children picture, carry the map picture, carry the mama picture, go. When they check system, they will not say the children they are citizens of that country. They know how they will take bring those children come. Then they go look for the children, papa. I told you, sir, because this is child abuse. He abandoned the children, and you know the law. Because some country now, if I don't know how these people take a renew document for this man, because if now Italy now, if that man document expire, the man will go figure renew and without carry children go. Because other country, if you have children, or let's say you don't get documents, if your document expire, you go renew your document. If you want to go renew, your children will still follow you go. If you want to go take out, your children will still follow you go. If you don't bring your children, they're not going to give you your documents. That time, if people, when they carry their children go Nigeria, if they want to renew their document, they'll go bring their children come for Nigeria. If not, they don't feel renew document for them. Because this one are European children. No be children when they born for Nigeria. When they go, they say, oh, I they fear, or make something not go up, how want to do this one? No. A party you can do it. Look for another black person when he go help you.
The person when I want to look for now, the woman will come talk for platform, like Coco platform for nights. Now they play these guests hair, they play their hair with the day tomorrow. And I don't call the daughter for Nigeria just now, the second daughter, I say you know the woman when I put them for line. He said the woman talk one was said the time when the one collect the children for the woman hand when the husband get problem for Nigeria. Say that one man can't sign. They can't give the man the children. Say no one mention the man name. If I don't call the woman, just say for Spain. If I don't call the woman, just say me help me contact that man. More will talk together. If not to buy ticket, go that place. Or Laura go there. I'll give them full contact for Laura. The man with the first sign paper, with the first give the Pikin before. You get us. I'll tell the man will go police station again. You get us. I'll do that one. Talk to me, mama.
You know where say this issue now. Be like say don't they communicate small. We'll tackle this issue. Then the government of Spain they will enter this issue. It's like they want to collect those children for their hand. They carry the children from go Africa. You know, and that is it's a traffic. You know, now traffic be that which the country no need that. If they explain like that, say una be Holland say yes, we could follow this issue. This government they will go and help those children.
Yes.
Because these children already they say they won't collect the children for the parents' hand. And the parents now they not carry those children go Nigeria. I don't understand. With this, those children they go get help for
Spanish.
For Spain there. I don't understand. I will say therapy bus now. We say where una there now una near now. But say I was still say therapy bus. I bet come help something like this. You go still come help. You know, you need somebody when be say, when I will do things like this, when be say, if they spend there, the best anybody when they spend there, when be say the live video presenter, as you they put her for us, so when I will meet on herself, when I will go this, since when I can't come live video. But if you not still see somebody, because they say if they do something, a live video, now they carry and they come. For me, I will say you see anybody black, Nigeria, when we say yes, will feel help you. Woman, when we say na mother. When I will feel do this thing together. I don't understand. Now to just go report to police. The police go talk say, where the children there now? When I talk say they carry the children, they go throw away them from Nigeria. I don't understand. Then police now, they go invite social worker to come to this issue. Then the children from Nigeria, that they speak Spanish good. Then police go communicate with them. Before you know, the country go find people when go carry those children. Yes, they'll find people when those children go take their custody. They'll carry them come up for that place. Because these children are need rescue now. If you not fit to one, they go rescue these children come. Not be said by man. No, this one will be social media saga. The way when I take to one, I saw some people take it to one. There is a lot of children when family abandoned for Nigeria. If they see somebody when help them, then they go bring the come. This one are for the government now. Now to just go give the government then they will continue. I don't understand. What they will still do now, if another person is still there now, when you go still contribute, put when they spare any country, you can still put your contribute so that we go know how go take to one. Because when I hear the voice of those children, it paid me, it touched my heart. The father even leave them for dead. The man abandoned them for dead. The man picture there with you. There is no way God say that they find the man. Take the picture, go give police.
No, you know why, Mama.
We not say you not to come out. We don't even need your opinion, sir, because your opinion is irrelevant here at this moment. Because the children we don't already hear their voice. I don't understand. The picture date here. No, I go meet police for Spain. Then this issue go settle. Now it make me talk say, may you go back to live video. We will find how we go take talk. And from there, women will talk put. Then you find somebody for Spain there. Now we find how we now take go. Tell the children from Nigeria, may they take picture, may they snap, may they post the picture, come give you. The document when they take reach Nigeria, if the document still there with them, let they see photocopy the document, send that for you, put everything together. You must put everything together before you go meet police.
Okay.
I don't understand me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all you want to want.
Thank you.
Later we will talk. I want to my daughter.
Okay, thank you, Mama. Thank you. Okay. When I call Laura. One ask her whether the documents still dey with her, whether I go not wake. Ola Koko never carry my phone. Ola Koko never carry my phone. That woman we can't talk so. Now we can't talk for Ola Koko platform. Now the woman dey find number. Cause that woman talk one word just now. He talk one word for inside the video. Say when they be want collect the children, the man when he stand for them. For that for severe, we the man you know one mention his name. If that man still there alive, I want when I talk to the man, the paper where he signed that day, where they want collect the children, where they give one, or the police station wait for one, that man will say assist me well. These children we need to bring them come back. We no want care to know where their father they gave, but why we constitution with that today? Now where would they make people know what they do for hand? And where would they know person when they know this man? Now make we constitution with that. We don't see person when they know him. He just explain some details to us. So not be all of them. I want play finish. Now after Ola Koko do video finish it, when I send the information go me to Ola Koko. Now this woman call for night, me don't sleep. This morning now I see the message when Ola Koko send that for me. So I can't listen to the video. I can't see different things where the woman talk. He can't measure am. Wait me be no one measure. He can't measure all of them. Say the senior daughter or more of the year as he did for sick bed today for Nigeria, we make they call me. He can't measure and say every 3 months now they change the system. Pikin will not buy since then. If you say you not carry the go house, solution for sick day for European since then. Because of the stress now, the woman will born for you. We not get paper, when the children get paper. It take risk go house. Make it save the Pikin alive. The woman go buy for Nigeria. You not even get the feelings. Say, this woman not get paper when you follow these children go house. Because of that alone, when I bring these children come. If they respect me, they not respect me, but I will do the one of God for them. Me take 3 years for Europe when I go pay my first Pikin come for house. Last year they tell me say I want to go Nigeria, and I say stop that nonsense. If I dey go Nigeria, now you will follow me go. Now his friends tell us, say, now truth your papa talk. He say, don't be hard, I want to go to Nigeria, I want to go and know my father's house. I want to go and know my father's house. Now I say, let me get my document first. If I'm going, you go with me. Now I can't rest. So, you were born Pikin for Europe. One of your Pikin done there for 20 years now, one done there for 18 years now. Whether good or bad, they did for Europe. The one of 20 years, get what they do today. Maybe their destination now. For you to go put it for Africa, just keep their destination. May God not let their destination not die. Maybe forget what they go to do. Some one for day now we go to where the Spanish go to hear a matter, where they go to hear a word like that, Laura. Because of your carelessness, your waywardness. Not be say you carry the go Germany, you carry the go Nigeria. Where everybody waiting for this country, where everything hard. They really call their family go Germany, France, London. You can't relocate your go Nigeria. Adegi yekini. Ukbena adegi yekini. Adegi yekini. So no be that what I come for now. But Ola Koko no basi carry phone. Ola Koko anytime we take carry phone now. Now we will take here from the woman.
Nigeria. All you say, oh no, not the Nigeria. Now you know people you don't have to. So they know it's in the library or Mavide or understand. And the woman with 4 children, 3 children on the last one or and I have to pay rock city. So I am in your mama. I was set up to say, and we have to do no. So drop for Panama, Mama, brought me very nice month. Or in Abdul Latin, you make it 20 years. So in Abdul Latin, only the Latin, and we have to call the children.
When I listen to this video, now here I take for start this video. Now here I take for start this video. That bros when he come out so, ulakoko abeku iwe rere yori la wu zabo yori no me fun menu ri no boku na me. I have to get contact with this woman and that bros when he come out go stand for the children that time. A way forward is there. A way forward not there now. I talk and say by God grace, by December this children go there for Nigeria, they go there for Europe here. By December, if you too late, January 20 or 30, they don't the year. Because I know waiting, I know now waiting, they go come. But if government see, government go evolve as if beg una individual. Get the one who rush do before government go start to evolve now. Like their passport, I just send person go. I just send person this morning. We Laura want go meet. Their papa brother. We their papa give passports. Their passport, their documents. Make the person go with peace. Make go the. Hello Laura. Hello Laura.
Hello?
Hello Laura, how are you?
Fine, good morning, sir.
How are you? Hey, you know that woman that is that woman with the plate to her hair won't do for Sevilla.
Yes.
So
Mama was
says, don't worry, I will put her for line. Just I never get the number. Person I call, you hear your voice. I think you don't hear the voice.
Yes.
Okay. Person when he called yesterday now, that person later I put her for line. Me and I talk together. You hear?
Okay.
How's your sister now?
She's fine.
You know, great.
But her phone is off, so she says she will look for a place to charge it. I'm not with her.
Okay, no problem. You greet everybody. Speak Spanish. I greet everybody now again. I love your Spanish. You speak Spanish very well. Eh?
Okay.
Yeah, talk to us now.
Buenos días.
Yes, buenos días. ¿Qué está bien?
Bien.
Vale. Tranquilo. Tranquilo. Everything will be good, okay? You will be in Europe. You will be in Europe very soon, okay? Tranquilo, vale?
Vale.
How are you doing now? Have you eaten this morning?
Sí, estoy bien.
You don't eat? You don't eat food? I know they hear Spanish well. I know they hear well. You hear past me.
Oh, okay, yes.
Okay. No? But my children, they hear Spanish well. My children, they hear. That one they hear well. 24 years old boy. They hear Spanish well. They speak.
Okay.
Don't worry. Mama Osas. I will talk to Mama Osas if they don't give me a number. I'll put you with her for line. We not talk you, yeah? You're tranquilo. Tell your sister more video. Tell her more video, eh?
Okay.
May charge the phone.
Okay.
May charge the phone. If you don't, if Mama Osas don't call you, give her all your brother number. That man, one man there for Nigeria, we go call you just now. When you want to go your papa brother house, when you want to go the passport as soon want to go collect and if you say no. By tomorrow, everybody when they see for that house, they go arrest all of them, may give them a passport, yeah?
Okay, is it today we are going or when?
The man will call you now, the man will call you. The man will call you today.
Okay, because I'm at home now. The woman I'm here with, she's not very fine. I don't know if I can leave her. She's the only one at home.
No, he never call you. Wait, me the man call you first, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, now do. Okay.
Okay.
I will tell my mom to charge your phone. I'll tell my mom to charge your phone just now, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.
Okay. So, na me ulako. Una hear the girl now. We don't know the woman name. The woman name. We they talk so now. If they talk say Mama of Sax now, she say everything does they go fine now. After this children want to come. So, not worry, my people. If we need assistance. I to Mona pray for that woman waiting for Italy. Mona pray for that woman waiting Italy. We feel they take off Laura since then. We see they spend money for hospital bill for sister. And the woman not the buoyant enough again. Now the woman saying go cry, come and come cry, meet me. Saying I spend a day. As we don't get the route now, we are very happy. We are very happy. I believe say now before not Friday as I talked yesterday, this man anywhere day we must hear a voice. We must hear a voice. We thank God. We'll see come out later. If Mama Osas, if I want to put the Mama Osas online, I want make people listening to the Spanish way they will speak. The way Mama Osas will take talk to them. After from there, Mama Osas will get the number. Mama Osas will work hand to hand for Sylvia. When we go to work hand to here, we'll join together. Have the children want to be in Europe. So if we need no assistance, if we call live video, good mothers, good father, at all, those children that we need make the day for the same house, not be the one with the scatter there for inside Benin. We they see room and parlor for inside Benin, and we they see room and parlor. Then we will carry people. We will go join all of them together. If now 100 euro, 200 euro, na free bring, they pay for the house. They see house of 4,000 for a month. They'll day there, they'll buy food for house, make the day for the same place. Now that one will be the first thing we will do. We will collect their passport for their papa brother hand. We will know whether the passport will expire. We will know what we want to do. Not be everything with the Nigerians. You wait for the government. We know say the government go in for this one as we go. But mostly try the love we will get for our children. The love we will get for our children. Waste of mother, not let us greet our children. The love we will get for our children. Waste of father, not let us greet our children. Mostly try the love. As we get the love for us and children for us, we will try for these people. As we try, we give them the love of they not take their mama and give with their mama take back for Nigeria. Anything with the poor and as a woman, as a man, the thing go to expand. It go change to glory for your life. Now so it go be. Ake one. Ake idage wewa o. Obokian wala o emo ya abandonment ya in Nigeria. Nwala o ne mona maoni ya je wo bo regbe because mona biema yen se ti ya yun ya ikin o kawo edo ewe bana bian yen se ti ya ke ba for wo edo e mi no gba mona ya wa izewu ni mazena yen wa izo perfectly yan ga zo oye na me dele won pa pepepepepe me no gbe 20 years me go azo wi mo pa go azo o vi mo pa go azo o imagine omo no pa ri wa with 12 years again na o use Spanish we na zo ni zese if you we na challenge the bania o zese na buwo so no walao advantage no ro ni hu dating ya de Spanish na my game hope ni na ze Spanish no e pu gede egbe ni ma na abedo mioku ni abedo mioku no yan o e hope gede egbe ni ma me e mona wa kwe amaki ni ana ri yobo ni ma agbere agbije pa ma wa ti dedegbe okay ma ni bi Nigeria maybe we miss ni ma aya enwe ma unite makawa we miss ni dey o makawa unite ma ni bi Nigeria makawa unite walao usome na ori mo pa ori mo ya fefe no ope na ori biene okuno ori biene when okuna waya lilo mo bari Nigeria we money there we bomana every 3 months aya change system ami kwedo wa oje okuna maybe but if you maybe oya lele pe na ri wa after 6 months okuna na do pa ona wu but in months is 10 years they have been pardon to Nigeria before they come to my in akeja adina we na do usume na o ga ru pa ayo mo ya fefe me yimia dina ka ofendu wa ndai mata na no bomeri boya bove wa ga wo mona ni mona so wa ya we sina de gbe da me oyi
di e ku na we me se meta
Okay.
o understand all them mo di e ku wore mama and bo are mama ma travel are in Nigeria ni wa se store kwa ma we o ma we ni me ma he o are in Nigeria onye kere ọnụ na ya gbalibere nwere Nigeria na no ke boy do na kwalebe so e no we tinu ya bi o ma bire o ma understand and a woman na with 3 children on the last one or ana ye ni ya do be rock here so ani ya ni mamo ala stata to say na we have to dey mo so drop up man ma be mama drop in a very nice man o ina do last e make it 20 so ina do last ya only the last when I'm going to take off the children and ask for money and ask the woman. And when man now was a home with only waiting, let's say, with
Wayawesi, allow down, or raw neck, when my beggar light now. No money with your banner, or with him a banner. And now we don't who now, or we honest we need you be and when I'm assuming you be you. I'm a carry so Wayawesi. Wala what my video no so book and also book. In my reading me expect you have the nena, in my way, in my having way. No, tell me made the mistake is one week will never quit, no with you more Africa. Binena maybe iya be having my war. Bin me are social media na. O monoma je school making but he where we no with social media na. A social media na me re oja me go far with life. Oja me ya poma wo edu. Ogogo no kwa no. So no walao wagume ga video na. We na be a presenter. Una need that video no o mona ya gwan no kuna ya gwan. Be sometimes me no way video we know there. The platform me must get to kuno do gwana. O la koko we video a platform oge. Ana get to kuno do gwana. Ana get in. Ek be we no we ba na. I ke we na we video ban where we set get o pe na muladia. Where we set get to pe na etima mo need attention but I don't need the ekere. Cause the government is involved in it. The man got a problem. Don't you? Don't there again. Wa we video no to pe na to boy ladian. Na fe ko do wo because all got a problem. No yeah abandonment mona you wa. Official akate vie mona a man in ladian bana. No ka gbe be yo. No ka gbe be yo wa magi ndo ka mi yan. Kege ni adewe e mona. E mana vian le area african okuna. Yen one. E mana no ba pare police station baba nania. No kuna ka no carry bejo ona pare police station where e mona no avio ye kekere dadi e panye on social media wa mo la na social media no kuna ogun na Nigeria o pe na abandon mo ni Nigeria e o pe na ri gan of you mona le on behalf of no gbe bejo so ni advantage e mi ya oni teta a story ni man ya type police station mo kan tape story ni man ya type police station we na ni aseti get a man. So, Opiana, Wagume with video or Ekino Genia. Neither am allegation when because a video ni we are going for 10 years or abandoned in Nigeria, a year raw. No plan I make problem. Wow, why video me video no dena, me master get to Kuna no do guana. But all coco you with video. Okuna na to guan. Ola coco a drop, Okuna nati, Ola coco na the we are going like video. A bad when I can wear video banana. Okbiana I do make bela molade wala wa kumega video na no go vera waya wesi ma is the bonne mana ma de gbe la nyan wo ze gbepan isabo ya ge do la ko kam phone me can get contact with her because again our flash me o ni eguyo o we oni eguyo sasigun no ga mi e to we do kan o we oni egugun ma be o we send message gun e baba na ni o wa flash me waya wesi ula koko uwesi wa no mai bi gbon ye waya wesi no yi bi gbon ye waya wesi emi mona hu nu de mo mona e mana zuzu ade ogu ma do social ma do gba we mo do mani gbe ma no bori oku dan ma no bori oku adan but we are still begging for forgiveness no somebody forgiving at na we ko dan no somebody forgiving at na we pe adan ni asu bo koko ni agba we mo gba we ro mo na bi agwe we ni jo mo why ga be mi dan ye omo e ko e why ga be mi dan ye mo ko wa be ro mo gui e wa be mo so wa ya wesi ma de gbere wo se pe ake wan o wesi wa go mega video na go vera ya de gbere ya try la no la koko maybe na re la video ma yo ni try no di no bo ko ni me ni me kina contact man ni e pe na ma re la dian o pe na ga ri problem because e ni mi ata me man ni man here at police station e man here ka okian e here gwale e am video me at police station ni emi o wo na ni gbebe yo we ikoko mo na be gani e pe yan la fi mo na le wa ma gi do tam gwa ke gani ade ni emi o na no ko na wu na Nigeria na o pe na ke no re de aje wo ba se police station we na ta vu emu la dian e avu emu la dian e right nu ga mi e mona via no pe abi no gba oge we na rule una via de Nigeria ya abandon ya we zi pe ene we ala na wa go we ga video na no go vera wa ya kan ze pe later my people